Welcome to RK Tutorials, Solutions to Engineering Mechanics by S. Timoshenko, 5th edition. In this tutorial, we will discuss problem set 2.5 and problem number 2.66. A boat is suspended on two identical davits like A, B, C, which is pivoted at A and supported by a guide at B. Determine the reactions RA and RB at the points of support A and B if the vertical load transmitted to each davit at C is 4272 newtons. Friction in the guide at B should be neglected. That means our interest is to find the reactions at A and B if this davit is transferring a load of 4272 newtons. Let us draw the free body diagram of this davit. The various forces acting on the davit is 4272 newtons, the reaction at B, the reaction at A. But here it is a hinged support, so there may be two reactions. One is the vertical reaction and another one is the horizontal reaction. We will call it as RV and RH. Now these are the various forces. This distance is given as 1.646 meters and this distance is given as 2.195 meters. Let us apply the equilibrium equations. Sigma Fx is equal to 0. That means horizontal force at B, RB, and here it is RH. RH plus RB is equal to 0, or you can say RH is equal to minus RB. Similarly, sigma Fy is equal to 0. There are two forces. Hence, directly I can say Rv is equal to 4272 newtons. Now, apply the third equilibrium equation. Sigma m is equal to 0. Taking moments about A equals to 0. Now, this Rb will introduce a moment like this, and this 4272 will also introduce a moment like this. Hence, Normally, we will consider the anti-clockwise direction is positive and clockwise direction we will consider as negative. So with reference to this, if you take moments, then we can say minus RB into 1.646 minus 4272 into 2.195 is equal to 0. Upon simplification, you will get RB is equal to minus 5696.87 newtons. Why I am getting RB is negative here? The meaning is initially we are assuming the RB is in this direction, but the actual direction of the force is here. This is the actual force. Hence, the final answer RB is equal to 5696.87, but the direction is like this. Once you know the value of RB from equation 1, I can find the value of RH. That RH is minus RB. RB is minus 5696. I will get RH is equal to 5696.87. Hence, this direction is correct and the magnitude is this much. And RB value is already we calculated 4272. Hence, I can find the reaction at A, that is square root under RV square plus RH square. By substituting those values, I will get RA is equal to 7120.7 newtons.